Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, today we are learning the Chinese character,
人
the building block of so many words. Let's learn. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
人
Two simple strokes
撇捺人
means person or human. Use it in words like
中国人
Chinese person or
大人
adult. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Now that you know how to write,
人
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
人们
People,
人口
population,
人类
humanity. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
他是美国人
He is American.
人们喜欢咖啡
People like coffee. Section 4. Fun fact. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
人
It originally looked like a stick figure of a person standing sideways. Now, it has been simplified. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Please, what's 人口 mean? Write it in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you tomorrow for another character. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.